If two dice are thrown simultaneously, then the probability of getting an even number on both the dice. So probability of an even, the formula is number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So here the sample space for two dice, when two dice are thrown, these are the possible outcomes. So they want even number on both the dice. See, in the first row it's not possible. In second row, it's because one number is definitely odd. In second row, both the dice we should get even number. So this is 1, 2 and 3, and here it's not possible because 3 is odd number. So here 4 2, 4 4, 4 6, 6 2, 6 4, 6 6. So total probability of getting an even number on both the dice, the favorable outcomes are like 3 3 and 3. So total 9 favorable outcomes out of 36. So 9 times 1, 9 times 4. So probability of getting an even number on both the dice is 1 by 4. So the correct option is 3. If one vertex of a triangle is 4, 4, so if I'll take a triangle, one vertex is 4, 4. So this I'll take it as like 4, 4, and the midpoint of its opposite side. So midpoint of BC is given, we consider it as D, that is 1, 4. Now they are asking the centroid of the triangle. So centroid is nothing but where all the medians will meet. So this AD is a median. So we need to find centroid. Centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. So here A 4, 4, D 1, 4, ratio is 2:1. So if I'll find the formula by using mx2 section formula plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So here mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, so ratio is 2:1. So 2, and these values are x1, y1, x2, y2. mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So 2 plus 4, that is 6 by 3. 2 times 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 by 3. 6 by 3 is 2. 12 by 3 is 4. So centroid is 2, 4. So the correct option is 4. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. So in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC, and AD by DB is 3:5. Total AC is 5.6 centimeters. So we need to find AE. So AE considered as X. So EC will be 5.6 minus X. Now if we'll apply BPT, as it is parallel, AD by DB equals AE by EC. So because of like BPT, basic proportionality theorem, AD by DB is 3 by 5, and this is X by 5.6 minus X. So if we'll cross multiply, 3 times 5.6 minus X equals 5X. So 3 times 5.6 minus 3X equals 5X. So 3 times 5.6 equals 5X minus 3X. If I transpose, it will become plus 3X. So 3 times 5.6 equals 8X. So we need to find X, AE. So 3 times 5.6 by 8 is X. 8 times 1, 8 times 7, so 0.7. 3 into 0.7 is 2.1. So AE is 2.1 centimeters. So the correct answer is 1. The correct answer is 1. The median of 7 distinct observations is 15. If each of the largest 3 observations is increased by 3, then the median of the resulting observation. So median will remain same, because if there are 7 observations, okay, so take some random observations like, see when there are like odd number of observations, median is n plus 1 by 2. So here n plus 1 by 2 observation. So here 7 plus 1 by 2, so 8 by 2. So fourth observation is the median. So here take some observations, some numbers you can take here. Fourth observation is median, so 15, and take the other observation like 16, 17, 18. So see, the last 3 observations, okay, are increased by 3. So these observations are left as it is. You can take some number less than 15 when arranged in ascending order in place of ABC. So if you increase this value by 3, this 3, so still see the middlemost observations is here like 15. Still the median remains same. So the median is 15 only. So the correct option is 2. The value of x for which both the polynomials become 0. It means they have the same common factor. So as they have the common factor, so remainder should become 0. So both you equate like x square minus 5x plus 6 equals x square minus 4x plus 3. X square and x square cancel. Minus 5x plus 4x if we'll transpose this. So 3 plus 6 if we'll transpose minus 6. Minus x equals minus 3. So x equals 3. Now if you want to check, take the first one. X square minus 5x plus 6. So 3 square minus 5 times 3 plus 6. 9 minus 15 plus 6. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 minus 15, 0. The same value should satisfy here. So x square minus 4x plus 3. So 3 square minus 4 into 3 plus 3. 3 square is 9 minus 12 plus 3. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 minus 12, 0. So x equals 3 is the answer. So the correct option is 3. The average weight of John, Ria and Lata. So average is sum of the observation John plus Ria's weight plus Lata by number of observations is 40. So here they are telling Ria and Lata have the same weight. So Ria's weight I'll consider x, Lata's weight also I'll consider as x, and John's weight is given 46. So 46 plus x by 3 is 40. If we'll simplify, 46 plus 2x equals 4 times 3, 12, 120. So 2x equals 120 minus 46. So 2x equals 120 minus 46 is 74. So 2x equals 74. So x equals 74 by 2. So x is 37. So they are asking then Ria's weight. So Ria we consider as x. So x is 37. So the correct option is 4. In the given figure, ABCD is an isosceles trapezium where AB is parallel to PQ is parallel to CD and AB is 9. So here I'll draw the diagram here. So in this, like if you do small construction, then the problem will become like easy. So here D, C, this is P, Q, A, B. AB is 9 centimeters and CD is 12 centimeters. One small construction, that join AC. Join AC and see this is parallel to this. These 3 are parallel. Now what we'll do is simple. Let's start from here, like AP, mark this point as M. Triangle APM and triangle ADC. APM ADC. See, this angle 1 is common, okay, and this angle 2 is equal to angle 3. This angle 1 is common angle, and angle 2 equals angle 3 because they are like corresponding. They are like corresponding angles. So triangle APM is similar to triangle ADC. So if you write the sides proportional, AP by AD, PM by DC. We need to find PQ, so first we'll find PM, then MQ, then I'll add both the values. Now AP, they gave ratio 1 is to 2, so total parts will be like 3. This is 1 part, this is 2 parts, so total. So AP is 1, then AD will become 3, PM and DC is given as 12. So if we'll simplify this, 3 times 1, 3 times 4, so PM is 4 centimeters. So this you got it, 4 centimeters. Now start the triangles from here. Take triangle CQM and triangle CBA. See, 1, 2, 3 already I took, so this I'll take it as like angle 4. So angle 4 equals angle 4. Reason same, common angle. Common angle. Next, angle 5 equals angle 6 corresponding, because these two lines are parallel. Angle 5 equals angle 6, corresponding angles. Next, so if you write sides proportional, see, triangles are similar by angle corollary. CQM is similar to angle CBA, angle corollary, both the reasons same. So here CQ by CB, QM by BA. See, this is 1, BQ by QC is 1, and this is 2, so total will be 3. CQ like 2 parts, CB is 3 parts, and QM, which I need to find, BA is given 9. 3 times 1, 3 times 3, 3 times 2, 6. So QM equals 6 centimeters and PM equals 4 centimeters. We need to find PQ. PQ is PM plus MQ. PM is 4, MQ is 6. So total is 10 centimeters. The correct option is 2. The correct option is 2, 10 centimeters. See, midpoints of the sides AB and AC of triangle ABC. So midpoints of AB and AC are given. So A, B, C. So this is D. This is given 3, 5, and this is E, given -3, -3. So the midpoints of these two sides are given. These two, D and E, are given. We need to find BC. So as it is a midpoint theorem. See, what I'll do, I'll find the distance of DE and I'll double it. So midpoint theorem is, in 9th class we have, a line joining the midpoints of two sides is parallel to the third side and half of it. So DE is half of BC. A line joining the midpoints of two sides is parallel to third side and half of it. So DE is half of BC. As we need to find BC, so I'll do 2 times DE, then I'll get BC. So now I'll find the distance of DE. D is 3, 5. E is -3, -3. So x1, y1, x2, y2. So under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So under root x2 -3 whole square, and y2 is -3 -5 whole square. So it's -6 whole square plus -8 whole square. -6 whole square is 36, minus 8 whole square is 64. So DE is root 100. So DE is 10. DE is 10. But we need to find BC. So BC is twice DE. So 2 times 10. So that is 20. So the correct option is 220. If x square minus 2px plus 7p minus 12 equals 0. So here the roots are equal. Then discriminant b square minus 4ac equals 0. So here if we compare with the standard one, ax square plus bx plus c. So the value of a is 1, b is minus 2p, and c is 7p minus 12. So substitute all these values in the discriminant. So because if roots are equal, discriminant is 0. b square minus 2p whole square minus 4 into a is 1, c is 7p minus 12. This is 4p square minus 4 times 7 28p minus into minus plus 4 times 12 48. So 4 if we will take common, p square minus 7p plus 12 equals 0. So p square minus 7p plus 12 equals 0 by 4 is 0. Now if we factorize this, p square 12 factors are 4 into 3, 2 into 6, 1 into 12. I'll take 4 3 because 4 plus 3 is 7. Minus 4 minus 3. Minus 4p minus 3p plus 12 equals 0. P if we'll take common, p minus 4 minus 3 into p minus 4. So p minus 4 into p minus 3 equals 0. P minus 4 equals 0. P minus 3 equals 0. So p equals 4, p equals 3. So the answers are like 3 comma 4. So the correct option is 1. 3 comma 4. Tan A by 1 plus sec A plus 1 plus sec A by tan A. See, you can do this problem by directly taking LCM, or otherwise change everything in terms of sin and cos. So take directly LCM. So 1 plus sec A into tan A. So tan, if you will multiply here, you will get tan square A plus 1 plus sec A whole square. So tan square A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab by 1 plus sec A into tan A. So now see, you know the identities between sec and tan. We have that secant square theta minus tan square theta equals 1. So here tan square theta plus 1, so you can write as secant square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. So here 1 plus tan square A you can write as secant square A. Secant square A plus secant square A plus 2 sec A by 1 plus sec A into tan A. So sec square A plus sec square A is 2 secant square A plus 2 sec A by 1 plus sec A into tan A. If we'll take 2 secant A common, so here we'll be left with like sec A plus 1 by 1 plus sec A into tan A. Sec A plus 1 cancel. So 2 sec A by tan A. So 2 sec theta you can write as 1 by cos A, and tan theta you can write as sin A by cos A. So by cos A cancel. So in the numerator is 2, in the denominator is sin. So sin reciprocal is cosec. 2 cosec A. So the correct option is 4. The correct option is 4. the equation with roots minus 2 root 3 minus 5. So alpha is minus 2 root 3 minus 5 and beta is 2 root 3 minus 5. So this alpha you can write as minus of 2 root 3 plus 5 also. So first find sum alpha plus beta, that is minus 2 root 3 minus 5 plus 2 root 3 minus 5. Minus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 cancel. So minus 5 is minus 10. So alpha plus beta is minus 10. Alpha plus beta formula is minus b by a is minus 10. Next find the product. See, product is alpha into beta. So alpha, I'll take this one, like minus of 2 plus 2 root 3 plus 5 into 2 root 3 minus 5 minus, if you'll see these two terms, they are in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. Here 2 root 3 and here 5 minus 2 root 3 whole square is 2 square is 4, root 3 whole square is 3. So it is 12. 4 into 3 12 minus 25. So minus 12 minus 25 is minus 13. So minus into minus plus 13. You can write alpha into beta as c by a. Now if you compare, so a value is 1, minus b is minus 10, so b value is 10 and c value is 13. So the equation is ax square plus bx plus c 1x square plus 10x plus 13. So x square plus 10x plus 13. So the correct option is 1. If log 5 to the base 2 equals x, then log 4 to the base 5 in terms of x. So log 4 to the base 5 in terms of x we need to write. So log 4 I can write as 2 squared to the base 5. So log a power m to the base x is m log a to the base x, logarithm of power. So here if you'll apply that formula, so you'll get here 2 log 2 to the base 5 because this is in place of m. So log 2 to the base 5 in terms of x, see, log 5 to the base 2 is x. So 1 by x value will be log 2 to the base 5 value will be 1 by x. So here log 2 to the base 5 is 1 by x. So it will become 2 by x. So the correct option is 3. The given Venn diagram represents, so see, this is symmetric difference of sets like A delta B. A delta B is nothing but like A union B means total shaded region between A and B, and then minus A intersection B. So the correct option is 4, it's clear. So minus A intersection B, or one more option maybe like that is like A minus B union B minus A. This is A minus B, this is B minus A. Union if you do, that is also answer, but that we don't have in the option. So the correct option is 4. If A is not equal to B, then the common root of x square plus ax plus b equals 0, x square plus bx plus a equals 0. Let the common root be like k. So if we'll substitute k square plus ak plus b equals 0, k square plus bk plus a equals 0. So equate both the equations now. So k square plus ak plus b equals k square plus bk plus a. K square cancel. So here ak minus bk equals a minus b. So if we'll take k common, here you get like a minus b and here a minus b. So k is a minus b by a minus b. So the value of k is 1. So the correct option is 2. See, a box contains 5 blue, 6 red. So blue color walls are 5, red color walls 6, and green color walls are x they gave. So total number of balls will be 5 plus 6 plus x, that is 11 plus x. Now probability of selecting a blue ball. Probability of blue ball is 1 by 3. So number of favorable outcomes. So blue balls are like 5. 5 by total. Total outcomes is 11 plus x is 1 by 3. Number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So if you cross multiply, 5 times 3, 15 equals 11 plus x. 15 minus 11 equals x. So 4 equals x. So the number of green balls, which is x, is nothing but 4. So the correct option is 1. A sphere of radius 3.5 centimeters is exactly fitted in a cube. So if we'll take a cube, inside the cube a sphere has been fitted. So what they want to tell is the diameter will be equal to edge. So radius is 3.5, so diameter will be 7 centimeters. So edge will be 7 centimeters. So find then the difference of the surface area. So surface area of a cube minus surface area of a sphere. So surface area of a cube is 6a square minus surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. So 6 times 7 whole square minus 4 times 22 by 7. Radius is 3.5, so I'll write 35 by 10 into 35 by 10. 7 times 1, 7 times 5, 5 times 1, 5 times 2. 5 times 7, 5 times 2. 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 and 2. So 6 times 49 minus 22 times 7. 6 into 49 is 294 minus 154. So it is 294 minus 154 is 140 centimeters square. So the correct option is 3. If x plus 1 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 7 so on x plus 28 is 155. So how many terms are there, we don't know. So to find the number of terms, you can take this series like 1, 4, 7, so on 28. Then you find like number of terms. Here a is 1, d is a2 minus a1, which is 4 minus 1, 3. So an equals 28. So a plus n minus 1 into d is 28. 1 plus n minus 1 into 3 is 28. 1 plus 3n minus 3 equals 28. 3n minus 2 is 28. 3n equals 28 plus 2, 30. So n equals 10. So there are like 10 terms. So if you take this series as it is, the first term is x plus 1 and common difference a2 minus a1, if you do, you'll get 3 only. So sum of 10 terms is 155. We need to find x. Sum of n terms formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is 155. Sn 10 terms 2a. A is x plus 1. 10 minus 1 into 3 is 155. 2 times 1, 2 times 5. 5 times 1, 5 times 31. Next 2x plus 2 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 times 3, 27 equals 31. 2x plus 29 is 31. 2x is 31 minus 29. So 2x equals 2. X equals 1. So the correct option is 1. The coordinates of the point that divides the line segment joining A 1, 7, B 6, minus 3 in the ratio 2:3. So it's a direct problem. So we need to find P, which is dividing AB in the ratio 2:3. I'll use section formula. mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So this is x1 y1, x2 y2, mn. So 2 x2 is 6, x1 is 1 by 2 plus 3, my2, 2, y2 is minus 3, n, y1 is 7 by 2 plus 3. So here 2 times 6 is 12 plus 3 by 5 minus 6 plus 21 by 5. So 12 plus 3 is 15 by 5. 21 minus 6 is also 15 by 5. So 3 comma 3. So the correct option is 2. If 2 comma minus 2 and 5 comma 2 are the endpoints of the diagonals of a square. So this is A, B, C, D. So endpoints means 2 comma minus 2 and this is 5 comma 2. They are asking the side of a square. So what I'll do, I'll find the diagonal, and we know that diagonal is root 2 times side. So first I'll find the diagonal distance. From here I'll get side. So AC distance formula under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. If we'll substitute the values, 5 minus 2 whole square, 2 plus 2 whole square, because 2 minus of minus plus 2. So this is 3 square, this is 4 square. Root 3 square plus 4 square, 9 plus 16. So which is root 25, which is 5. So diagonal is 5 equals root 2 times side. So side will be 5 by root 2 equals side. This is one method. Another method is the correct option is 4. Another method is you can apply Pythagoras theorem. Like here you can consider the side as A. So hypotenuse square, which is 5 square, equals A square plus A square. A square plus A square. So it will become like 2A square. 25 equals 2A square. So 25 by 2 equals A square. So under root 25 by 2 is A. So root 25 is 5. Root 2 is root 2. So the side is 5 by root 2. Correct option is 4. If k plus 2, 4k minus 6, 3k minus 2 are in 3 consecutive terms of AP. So if they are consecutive terms of an AP, then A2 minus A1 should be equal to A3 minus A2. A2 is here 4k minus 6. A1 is k plus 2. A3 is 3k minus 2 minus A2 is 4k minus 6. If we'll simplify, you'll get the value of k. So 4k minus 6 minus k minus 2. 3k minus 2 minus 4k plus 6. 4k minus k is 3k minus 8. 3k minus 4k is minus k plus 4. So 3k plus k is 4 plus 8. So 4k equals 12. So k equals 12 by 4. So the value of k is 3. The correct option is 3. The number of multiples of 9 between 1 and 1000. So first multiple will be like 9, then 18, 27, so on. 9, 9, 9 will be the last term. So here first term is 9. Common difference is A2 minus A1. So 18 minus 9, which is 9. Next, AN is 999. AN formula is A plus N minus 1 into D. So we need to find N. A value is 9. N minus 1 into 9. equals 9, 9 and 9. So n minus 1 into 9 equals 999 minus 9. So n minus 1 into 9 equals 990. So n minus 1 equals 990 by 9. So you'll get 110. N minus 1 is 110. N equals 110 plus 1. N equals 111. So correct option is 1. If the system of equations represent coincident lines, so 2x plus 3y equals 7. 2ax plus a plus b by y equals 28. So if you write in the standard form, 2x plus 3y minus 7 equals 0. 2ax plus a plus b into y minus 28 equals 0. So condition for coincident line is like a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2. Now if I'll substitute the values here, so a1 is here like 2 by 2a equals 3 by a plus b equals minus 7 by minus 28. So try to equate first these two. So 2 by 2a equals 3 by a plus b. 2 and 2 cancel. So here one is left. Cross multiply. A plus b equals 3a. So b equals 3 minus a. 3a minus a. So b equals 2a. So the correct option is 2. The ratio of base radius of cylinder and cone. So cylinder and cone. See, cylinder R1 you can consider, here R2. R1 is like you can consider 3x. R2 is 4x. H1 is you can take 2y. H2 is 3y because ratio is 2:3, 3:4. Fine. Now volume, ratios of their volume. So volume of cylinder by volume of cone. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Pi and pi will get cancelled. R is 3x whole square. H is cylinder, for cylinder 2y. 1 by 3 and r is here 4x whole square into 3y. So this 3 will come here at the top because it's 1 by 3 in the denominator. So 9x square into 2y, here 16x square into 3y, y, x square, 3, 2 times 1, 2 times 8, 9 by 8. So the ratio is 9:8. The correct option is 1. See, percentage problems, if the radius of a circle is decreased by 10%, so let the original radius be like 100. So if it is reduced by 10%, so this radius will become like 90 because 100 minus 10% of 100 is 90. Now find the area of this one. Area will be here pi r square. So r is 100. So here area will be pi into 90 square because radius is 90. So decrease in area. Decrease in area is original area like pi into 100 square and pi into 90 square. So pi if you take common, 100 square minus 90 square. You can use a plus b into a minus b so that it will be easy. 100 plus 90, 100 minus 90. So 190 times 10. So you can write pi into 1900 also. But they are asking decrease percentage. Decrease percentage is decrease value by original value times 100. So decrease value is pi into 1900 and original value is pi into 100 square. You can write as 100 times 100 into 100. 100 cancel, pi cancel, 2 zeros 2 zeros, so 19%. So the correct option is 2. The sum of all 2-digit numbers divisible by 4 but not by 8. So divisible by 4 2-digit number is first is 12, 16, 20, 24, so on, 92, 96, 100, but 100 is a 3-digit, we cannot take. So these all are the numbers which are divisible by 4, but it should not be divisible by 8. So you cannot take this. You cannot take this. This will go in 4 table. This will go in 4 and 8, but it should not go in 8. So we will not take this. So the series is 12, 20, so on, 92. Because these are the numbers which are divisible by 4 but not by 8. So here A is 12, D is A2 minus A1, 20 minus 12, that is 8. We need to add all these series, but how many terms are there we don't know. So AN equals 92, A plus N minus 1 into D is 92, 12 plus N minus 1 into 8 is 92. So here 12, N minus 1 into 8 is 92 minus 12. So N minus 1 into 8 is 80. N minus 1 is 80 by 8. N minus 1 is 10. N equals 10 plus 1. N equals 11. Now we need to find S11. S11. So to find S11, formula is N by 2 into A plus L. I'll use this formula because I have the last term. Last term is 92. So 11 by 2 into 12 plus 92. 11 by 2, it is 104. 2 times 1, 2 times 52. 11 times 52. 5, 2, 5 plus 2, 7. 572. So sum of all 2-digit number divisible by 4 but not by 8 is 572. The correct option is 3.